What's going on, everyone? This is Max from Noisy Hearts Creations, and today I'm going to teach you how to go from this to this in just a matter of a couple minutes.
The very first thing you want to do is to have, if you have a scanner, that's obviously ideal, but if you have a scanner, you want to take a very high DPI scan of that paper you have. In this case, this is a handwritten recipe from 2005. It is this person's grandmom, so obviously this is dear to their heart and to their family, because for them it is not just a recipe, it is a family tradition, and we're going to try to capture this family tradition in its original way, meaning exactly how the grandma meant it with her exact handwriting. So, and look at this is it from 2005. It's 20 years ago. Some of you may have not have been born back then, but either way, we're gonna do the best to try to preserve it in its original condition. So to edit it, what I'm gonna use the help of AI tools. I have tried both ChatGPT and Gemini, and I honestly found Gemini a little better to work for images. Like in this case, it is an image, so we're gonna use Gemini, we're gonna upload it, and once we upload it, this is the prompt we're gonna give it. Enhance the image, make the letter black, get rid of the horizontal lines, remove background. And once it thinks for a couple minutes, it gives us this result, which is 100 times better. It's almost exactly what we'll look for, except even though it looks like the background has been removed, it has not been removed. So do not try to engrave it as is, because it's literally going to engrave this checkered background. So instead, what we're going to do, we're going to use a graphic editing software. I use Canva. You can use whatever you want. I just like Canva for how easy it is, and because I've been using them for a while. Now, since we're in Canva, all we're going to do is we're going to use a built-in tool that's called background remover. You can use any other software if you have that same tool. I'm sure there's a lot of other versions. I just like Canva for how simple it is. Even though that tool is a paid tool, you do have to have a subscription to use background remover. In my mind, it's absolutely worth it for me with all the images and other designs I do for my 3D printing and engraving business. But once we have image selected, it's as easy as clicking this button, and in just a matter of seconds, the background is completely gone, and we're left with the perfect image, exactly what we need for our laser engraving. So ultimately, from here, all you would need to do is just to go to share, hit download. I use PNG format. I prefer, so this is the way where you can choose how large your image is going to be, so how much detail it's going to have. I like having it maxed out, because then I can always scale it down if I need to. But the very important part, make sure you have transparent background. Again, to do this, your Canva has to be a paid version, but I'm sure there are other programs that you can use that are not going to require subscription, or maybe a little less expensive. But at that point, all we need to do is hit download. It's going to prepare our image, and it is ready. So this is what we're left with. Let me just pull it up. Oh, sorry. Go back. Okay, now all we're left with is our image. There's no background in it, so if we click it, it's just going to go dark screen, but I can show you what it looks like, at least in Xtool Studio software. Some of you may use different software, which is totally fine. This is just a general video on how to prep your handwritten recipe or any other note into laser engravable image. I'm so sorry. Okay, so now I am in Xtool Studio software, but this will apply to any other software you guys and girls are using out there, because this is not Xtool specific tutorial. This is just for anybody who needs help transferring handwriting from a piece of paper into an engravable image. In my case, I'm using a bamboo cutting board, and for bamboo, I found out that rule of thumb, at least on the lasers I've used, slower speed and higher power, it gives me the best results. But I always recommend, especially if you're learning your machine or you're using different material, just do a little test grid to find the best settings for you. So that was it. I mean, it was a quick tutorial. Hopefully you guys and girls enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, because this helps my channel grow. And as always, I look forward to helping everyone. If you have any questions or comments, do not hesitate. Please leave it under this video, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye.